Did you know that some of America's most iconic foods were born right in Kentucky? When most people think of Kentucky, they picture horse farms, rolling bluegrass hills, and maybe the excitement of the Kentucky Derby, but the state has also made a huge and lasting impact on American cuisine. From world-famous fried chicken to rich desserts and bold comfort food, Kentucky's culinary influence stretches far beyond its borders. These foods aren't just meals, they're part of the state's identity, shaped by generations of tradition, creativity, and resourcefulness. Today, we're counting down 10 foods that were born in Kentucky, and chances are you've enjoyed more of these than you realize, even if you didn't know where they came from. Let's dig in. We have to start with the most famous one of all. KFC was created by Colonel Harlan Sanders in Corbin, Kentucky back in the 1930s. Colonel Sanders didn't just fry chicken, he obsessed over it. He spent years refining his technique, eventually developing his now famous blend of 11 herbs and spices, along with the pressure frying method that locked in moisture while creating that signature crispy coating. What started as a small roadside stop during the Great Depression turned into a worldwide brand that changed fast food forever. Today, KFC operates in over 100 countries, but every bucket of chicken still traces its roots back to Kentucky. The Colonel himself became just as famous as the chicken, traveling the country in his white suit and black tie to promote his recipe and build the brand. His image is still one of the most recognizable logos in the world today. It's a perfect example of how passion, persistence, and a really good recipe can turn a local dish into a global icon. And honestly, it's hard to think of another food so closely tied to a single state. Kentucky and bourbon go hand in hand. In fact, about 95% of the world's bourbon is produced here, and it's named after Bourbon County. To be called bourbon, it must follow strict rules, made from at least 51% corn and aged in new charred oak barrels. Over time, these barrels give bourbon its deep amber color and complex flavors of caramel, vanilla, and spice. But bourbon is more than just a drink, it's a way of life in Kentucky. The Kentucky Bourbon Trail attracts visitors from all over the world, offering a behind-the-scenes look at distilling, aging, and tasting. Walking through a rick house filled with aging barrels, you can actually smell the sweet aroma in the air. It's an experience that connects you directly to the craftsmanship and tradition behind every sip. Many distilleries are family-owned and have been operating for generations, passing down techniques that haven't changed much over time. And while every brand has its own unique flavor profile, they all share that unmistakable Kentucky character. This is one of Kentucky's best-kept culinary secrets. Benedictine spread was created in Louisville by caterer Jenny Carter Benedict in the early 1900s, and it quickly became a staple of elegant Southern entertaining. It's made from cream cheese, cucumber, onion, and seasoning, blended into a smooth, pale green spread that's as refreshing as it is simple. What makes it special is its balance. It's cool, light, and just slightly tangy, making it a perfect complement to heavier Southern dishes. It's often served on delicate tea sandwiches, especially at luncheons, showers, and garden parties. There's something timeless about Benedictine. It feels like a throwback to a more graceful era, yet it still holds its place on modern tables today. You'll still find it at classic Kentucky events like derby parties, where it adds a fresh, elegant touch to the menu. It's also surprisingly versatile. Some people use it as a dip or even a spread for crackers and vegetables, giving it a more modern twist while still honoring its roots. Burgoo is Kentucky comfort food at its most authentic. This thick, hearty stew is known for its long cooking time and its flexibility. Traditionally, it included whatever meats were available: chicken, pork, beef, or even wild game, along with vegetables like corn, lima beans, and potatoes. The real magic happens in the cooking process. Burgoo is often simmered for hours, sometimes all day, in large kettles, allowing the flavors to slowly blend into something rich, smoky, and deeply satisfying. It's especially popular at barbecues, festivals, and community gatherings where it's cooked in massive batches and shared among friends and neighbors. No two pots of burgoo are exactly alike, and that's part of its charm. Some recipes are passed down through generations, with families guarding their own special versions of the dish. And when you taste a really good burgoo, you can tell it's layered, hearty, and full of history in every bite. The hot brown was created at the historic Brown Hotel in the 1920s. At the time, hotel guests were looking for something different to eat after late-night dances, and the usual ham and eggs just wasn't cutting it. So the chefs created this open-faced sandwich, layering roasted turkey on bread, topping it with bacon and a rich Mornay sauce, then broiling it until golden and bubbling. The result is warm, creamy, and incredibly indulgent. It's the kind of dish that feels both comforting and a little bit luxurious at the same time. And the best part? You can still order the original version at the Brown Hotel today, making it a true bucket list food for visitors to Kentucky. Sitting in that dining room and trying the original recipe really connects you to its history. Over the years, many restaurants have created their own versions, but there's something special about tasting it where it all began. Here's a sweet treat with a fascinating backstory. Modjeska candy was created in Louisville in the late 1800s and named after Polish actress Helena Modjeska, who was performing in the city at the time. The candy itself is beautifully simple, a soft, fluffy marshmallow wrapped in a layer of rich, buttery caramel. That contrast in textures is what makes it so addictive. You get the lightness of the marshmallow with the chewiness of the caramel in every bite. It's a nostalgic treat that has been enjoyed for generations, and it's still made today using traditional methods that honor its original roots. Shops in Louisville still proudly produce them by hand. If you ever visit Kentucky, this is one of those local specialties that's worth seeking out. You won't find it quite the same anywhere else. Beer cheese was born in Winchester, Kentucky in the 1940s, and it started as the perfect bar snack. Made with sharp cheddar cheese, beer, garlic, and spices, this spread is bold, tangy, and just a little spicy. It's incredibly versatile, served with crackers, pretzels, vegetables, or even as a topping for burgers and sandwiches. What began as a local favorite has grown into a statewide tradition. Winchester even hosts an annual beer cheese festival, celebrating the dish with tastings, competitions, and live entertainment. There are actually different styles of beer cheese, some smoother, some chunkier, and some with a real kick of spice, so no two versions taste exactly the same. That variety keeps it interesting every time you try it. It's one of those foods that feels casual and simple, but once you start eating it, it's hard to stop. Rich, gooey, and completely indulgent, Derby pie is a dessert that Kentucky proudly claims. Created in Louisville at the Melrose Inn in the 1950s, it's closely associated with the Kentucky Derby, making it a staple during Derby celebrations. The pie combines chocolate chips, walnuts, and a buttery crust into a sweet, slightly nutty dessert that's incredibly satisfying. What many people don't realize is that Derby pie is actually a trademark name, owned by the Kern family who created the original recipe. Because of that, you'll often see similar desserts called things like chocolate nut pie if they're not the official version. Each bite is rich and decadent, making it the kind of dessert you savor slowly, although it's hard to stop at just one slice. For many, Derby pie is more than just dessert. It's part of a tradition that brings people together year after year. It's often served at parties, gatherings, and celebrations well beyond Derby season. And once you've had a good one, it quickly becomes one of those desserts you crave again and again. Bourbon makes another appearance, this time in dessert form. Bourbon balls are made with chocolate, crushed nuts, usually pecans, and a splash of Kentucky bourbon. They're rich, slightly boozy, and packed with flavor, making them especially popular during the holiday season. The combination of chocolate and bourbon creates a deep, complex flavor that feels both indulgent and uniquely Southern. They were invented in 1938 by Rebecca Ruth Candy in Frankfurt. Originally, the candy was a non-alcoholic chocolate. They perfected the recipe by blending bourbon with the creamy center. These make fantastic gifts, giving people a little taste of Kentucky in every bite. You'll often see them packaged in decorative tins or boxes, especially around Christmas. And just like bourbon itself, different recipes can vary slightly, giving each batch its own unique character. We're finishing with something a little more modern, but just as uniquely Kentucky. Dippin Dots were invented in Kentucky in the late 1980s by microbiologist Kurt Jones. Instead of traditional scoops, this ice cream is made by flash freezing tiny droplets using liquid nitrogen, creating those signature little beads. The result is a fun, futuristic texture that melts in your mouth in a completely different way than regular ice cream. Often called the ice cream of the future, Dippin Dots became especially popular at amusement parks, fairs, and sporting events. There's something about those colorful little beads that instantly brings back childhood memories. Even today, watching them scoop those tiny frozen dots into a cup is part of the fun. It's as much about the experience as it is the taste. It's a perfect example of Kentucky innovation, taking a classic dessert and turning it into something totally new. So there you have it, 10 foods that were born in Kentucky. From fried chicken to bourbon, Kentucky has made a lasting impact on American cuisine. These dishes aren't just delicious, they're stories of tradition, innovation, and pride. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these have you tried and which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next food adventure. Thinking about exploring Kentucky for yourself? Tradewinds Travel can help you plan the perfect trip, from bourbon distillery tours to unforgettable dining experiences. Our contact information is in the description below. So until next time, happy travels and happy eating.